here, it is completely based on a High Court. Okay, so how a High Court will deal with the cases, either it is a criminal case or civil case, and how it's going to be solved, how the case is going to be solved, everything you can see here. Our students, they are going to make it, they are going to solve the case, how they are going to solve the case. A issue has happened between a victim and accused person, and how this issue is going to be solved, we will see now. And moreover, our High Court, Telangana High Court Chief Justice is Aparesh Kumar Singh. So he is Aparesh Kumar Singh, he is the Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. And here some students, they are playing the role of High Court members, like Chief Justice like Mahavish, and companion judges are Mahesh and Akshaya. Later, the court officer Ayan, and defense advocate Hadia, and public prosecutor Rita Fatima, and investigation officer or police officer Rauf, and victim Nihal, and accused Naveen, and constable Gopal Gopi Charan, and our narrator will be the Zoha from 10th class. So let us witness this skit, and let us gather some knowledge how the High Court is going to be organized this. And moreover, High Court in our India, total the High Courts are 25 High Courts are there in our India. Okay, thank you.
Where the role of law protects the rights and dignity of every citizen. The judiciary is one of the three pillars of our constitution and plays a vital role in maintaining the equality and justice. The High Court is the highest court in a state. It ensures that laws are followed, disputes are resolved fairly, and justice is delivered without fear or favor. Today, through this case, we present a criminal case being heard in Telangana High Court. Now, how arguments are presented and how justice is delivered according to law. This presentation is purely educational and it aims to help students understand the real working of the Indian judiciary. Let us now witness the proceeding of the Honorable Telangana High Court.
Silence in the court. Honorable the Chief Justice and the Companion Judge of the Telangana High Court.
Please be seated. Call the matter.
Item number 4, criminal petition number 318 of 2025, filed by the petitioner seeking bail in the case of verbal abuse and intimidation.
May it please your lordship, the petitioner is below. A British citizen falsely implicated due to a neighborhood dispute.
What are the allegations?
My lord, the allegation is that the petitioner used abusive language during an argument. No physical harm was caused and the offence is not serious in nature.
Learned public prosecutor.
May it please your lordship, the accused abusement presents the complaint. This is offensive language can be fear and mental harassment.
Is there any trial remedy?
Yes, my lord, there is an ongoing property dispute between two parties.
Investigating officer, what is the status of investigation?
Your Lordship, statement of witness has been recorded. The accused has cooperated with their investigation.
Police submit evidence through the public prosecutor, not directly to the judge. Let the complainant be examined.
You solemnly affirm that the evidence you can give to the court shall be the truth, but only the truth.
I do solemnly affirm.
Does the accused wish to say anything before this court?
With the permission of this honorable court, I agree my source, this court, I will maintain peace and not repeat such conduct in the future.
In a court of law, justice is delivered only after the judge listens to both sides fairly and without bias. This court has carefully considered the submission made by the learned counsel on both sides. The allegation related to verbal abuse arising out of personal dispute between party. It is noted that there is no physical harm caused and no criminal case on the accused. Both parties are explained before this court and they do not repeat it again. In the view of facts and circumstances, this court has no reason to proceed further with the matter. Accordingly, the criminal proceedings are hereby closed and the case is disposed of. Both parties are directed to maintain peace, not to repeat such conduct in the future.
As the court pleases.
Justice not only punishes the wrongdoing but also restores the peace and harmony in the society.